A Fiverr gig can lose impressions overnight even if you changed nothing. That usually means Fiverr's search system stopped pushing it because your click-through rate, response rate, or conversion rate dropped. By the end of this, you'll know why Fiverr impressions drop, how to fix it, and what to change first. Here's the direct answer. Fiverr ranks gigs based on performance. If fewer people click, fewer people buy, or you respond slower, your gig moves down. Lower ranking means fewer impressions. First, check what changed. Go into your Fiverr analytics and compare the last 30 days with the previous 30 days. Look at impressions, clicks, orders, and cancellations. If impressions dropped but clicks stayed strong, it's usually a ranking issue. If impressions and clicks both dropped, the problem is often your thumbnail or keyword relevance. Start with your title. If your title says, "I will do professional logo design," and thousands use the same phrase, you blend in. Tighten it. Add specifics like minimalist logo design or modern mascot logo. Specific titles match buyer intent better. Next is your thumbnail. This matters more than most sellers think. Fiverr tracks clicks. If your gig gets shown 1,000 times but only 5 people click, that's weak performance. Change the first image. Use bigger text, cleaner examples, and show the exact service. Now, fix your tags. Search your main keyword on Fiverr and study the first page gigs. Don't copy them but look for patterns. If top gigs use YouTube script writing and you use content writing, you may be missing the exact search traffic. Then check response speed. Fiverr shows your average response time publicly. If you're taking 10 hours instead of 1 hour, buyers hesitate. Faster replies improve trust and ranking. Also look at order completion. Late deliveries and cancellations hurt hard. Even one canceled order can affect a newer gig more than an older one with lots of reviews. If your gig is completely dead, pause edits for 7 days after optimizing. Constant changes can reset performance signals. Here's the quick fix. Update your title, thumbnail and tags first. Improve response times second. Away. Avoid cancellations third. Those 3 usually move the needle fastest. Your next step is simple. Open your Fiverr analytics today and find the exact point where impressions started dropping. That tells you what broke. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Fiverr growth guides.